Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast or someone who loves performance vehicles, you're in for a treat today. We've got something really special to talk about. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any of the awesome content we have in store for you. Now, let's dive into today's review of the 2025 Corvette Grand Sport. Chevrolet's Corvette has always been a symbol of American muscle, and for the 2025 model year, the iconic Grand Sport is back with a bang. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this Corvette so special? Why is everyone talking about it? Well, if you're a fan of high performance, slick design, and cutting-edge technology, this 2025 model is about to blow your mind. But first, let's talk about the legacy of the Corvette Grand Sport and why this model has earned such a revered spot in automotive history. Introduced back in 1963 as a limited edition version of the Corvette, the Grand Sport was designed with racing in mind. Over the years, it's been updated and refined, and now, in 2025, Chevrolet has taken it to new heights. The Grand Sport is known for combining the best aspects of the base Corvette and the Z06, blending extreme power with refined handling. This model builds on that foundation and takes it even further. Let's kick things off by talking about the design of the 2025 Corvette Grand Sport. The first thing that grabs your attention is the car's aggressive and sleek appearance. Chevrolet has really dialed up the aerodynamic features in this one. You get that signature Corvette stance, low and wide, with curves that scream performance. Up front, you've got that massive, wide grille, designed to maximize airflow and keep the engine cool during those intense drives. The headlights are sharp and angular, giving the car a mean, predatory look. And let's not forget the carbon fiber hood. Not only does it look fantastic, but it also contributes to weight savings and performance. As we move down the body, you notice the sculpted sides and pronounced wheel arches. The Grand Sport has the same athletic build that's made the Corvette iconic over the years. And speaking of wheels, the 2025 model comes with lightweight, forged aluminum rims that give it an aggressive stance and enhance performance. Now, let's talk about the back end. Chevrolet has updated the rear with quad exhaust tips, and they're positioned in a way that maximizes both aesthetics and the car's exhaust flow for better performance. The rear diffuser, combined with those sharp lines, gives the Grand Sport a modern and functional look that enhances its stability at high speeds. Alright, let's get into what really matters, the performance. The 2025 Corvette Grand Sport is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine. But don't be fooled, this isn't just any V8. Under the hood, you're looking at 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, making this car an absolute powerhouse. Coupled with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Grand Sport goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. This thing is built to push the limits. And let's not forget the handling. With a wider stance, a magnetic ride control suspension system, and performance tires, the Grand Sport handles like a dream, whether you're taking it around tight corners or pushing it on the straightaway. One of the standout features of this car is its use of the Z51 Performance Package, which comes standard. This includes a larger rear wing, upgraded brakes, and a performance exhaust system that not only sounds incredible but adds to the car's power output and overall track-ready performance. Inside, it's all about control and focus. The cockpit is designed to keep the driver connected to the road, with a center-mounted touchscreen, driver-focused controls, and a high-performance steering wheel wrapped in leather. And with the optional sport bucket seats, you're going to feel every bit of the car's raw power while still being comfortably held in place. Now, the 2025 Grand Sport isn't just about performance and design. Chevrolet has packed this car with cutting-edge technology to make every drive an experience. From the advanced infotainment system to the suite of driver assistance features, there's no shortage of tech inside this Corvette. At the heart of the interior is the 12-inch digital driver display. This screen offers everything from performance data to navigation, and it's fully customizable, so you can configure it exactly how you want it. Plus, the infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. And if you're someone who loves to track their performance, the Grand Sport comes with a built-in performance data recorder. It's a game changer for anyone serious about their driving. You can record lap times, G-forces, and even your top speed, so you can analyze your performance later. It's like having a professional race engineer at your fingertips. As for safety, Chevrolet has packed in features like lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control, all standard in the 2025 Grand Sport. This is not just a performance car, it's designed to keep you safe and confident on the road. Alright, we've covered performance, design, and tech, but what about pricing and availability? The 2025 Corvette Grand Sport starts at around $75,000, which, given the power, technology, and style you're getting, is a pretty solid deal for a supercar of this caliber. The Grand Sport is expected to hit dealerships in the second quarter of 2025, so keep an eye out for it if you're looking to get your hands on one. With its blend of performance and luxury, it's sure to be a hot commodity. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Corvette Grand Sport the supercar of your dreams? With its stunning design, jaw-dropping performance, and incredible technology, it's hard to argue that Chevrolet has knocked it out of the park with this one. If you're a fan of American muscle, this car is definitely worth the hype. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of the 2025 Grand Sport. Would you take this beauty home, or is there another car that has your attention? I'll see you in the next video.